Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Oraimo. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video of today, it's all about this speaker from Oraimo. This is called Rover OBS 53D. Seems to be really great because it has a punchy heavy bass as how they stated, and it has bunch and bunch of features, especially when it comes to FM radio. It has IPX5 waterproof. It has an Oraimo signature sound. It's even having a powerful and punchy bass, as how it was stated. So it's such an amazing, and it has like an RGB too. So we're gonna be unboxing it and check it out what's so packed through all this kind of bad boy and see what's happening. So enough of me talking, let's get started. So there we have it, as you can see, and right now we're gonna be unboxing it and check it out. So here's our bad boy. Let me just do this way. This is our bad. We're gonna keep it aside. Nothing else there, nothing else on the box. Let's see it, and this is how it's packed. Actually, the packaging is not bad. Check this out, check this out. You open it this way. Really nice. Keep it aside, and we have the paperwork in here. You can spot the paperwork, and you just have to read the paperwork and all of that to just get the basics and understand how you can use this kind of speaker. And it's come with a cable, so it's a USB Type-C. Oh, a green one, nice. That's dope. I never thought that we're gonna get this kind of green. Nice. So this is a green kind of cable from USB to USB Type-C throughout charging this kind of bad boy. So that's it, only you're getting throughout the box. Sound is actually kicking in, and I mean kicking in so much. Check this out. That is not even 50%, or it's almost like 45 somewhere there. Now I'm gonna kick in the sound. Okay. That is insane. The sound is actually so much punchy, like you can even hear the bass, how much it's kicking in. That's what I like about this kind of Rover from Oraimo. It's such a compact kind of speaker. You can just snap it somewhere you want, especially like if you're a cyclist like me. Sometimes you just need a companion speaker. This is way to go. I'm saying the Rover is such an amazing kind of speaker to just be using it. And on top of that, you can change and customize the colors depending on what you want through this kind of speaker to give it different kind of look on, you know, RGB. If you don't prefer it, when you tap it more, you might be making it go off entirely. So it's such an amazing kind of speaker from Oraimo. This is the Oraimo Rover. Let's talk about the specification of Oraimo Rover speaker. Oraimo Rover specification. Well, it has a robust of 12 watts of sound via dual full range drivers plus bass rejectors. It has a deep bass support thanks to heavy bass DSP. It has a rich feature at RGB light show. It has an FM radio and a TWS pairing. Convenient size is under 0.6 kg, and it has an IPX5 rated. Bluetooth version 5.3, which ensures reliable connectivity, and you can use it throughout playing up to 6 to 7 hours of playback music, which it's really great throughout this kind of bad boy. So, adjusting the elephant throughout the room, is this kind of speaker really worth it from Oraimo? Because you guys remember we talked about bunch of Oraimo speakers in the past. Some of the speakers were really good, some of them were really knockoff because they were a little bit having a problem. And whenever you buy an Oraimo speaker, just know that replacing it throughout parts, it's kind of impossible, because I had a past worst scenario with these speakers. But if you're buying a speaker which is portable, just know that you use it for some quite few years or few months coming around, and depends with you how you keep it. But if you're keeping it perfectly, well, it's really sustaining fairly. But if you're keeping it a little bit roughly, just know that there's always a but throughout how you store your speakers. So this is just my review of the day. Let me know in the comments down below about the Rover speaker from Oraimo, and up on the next one, guys. Catch you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed it, and up on the next one, and peace.